This video is an introduction to link collections. Here, I'll share what a link collection is used for, walk you through the steps for creating one, and share a bit about when not to use a link collection. Check out one or both of the videos related to this one about placing link collections on basic pages and landing pages. A link collection is a group of related text links with optional brief descriptions. It has a title which can be toggled on or off, an optional general description of the links in the collection, and an option to link to a page or source for more information related to the links shown in the collection. It operates the same as a visual link collection, but lacks the option to include an image with each link. A link collection works well on a landing page or basic page, where it groups similar links that are relevant to the page topic. You can begin to create a link collection a few different ways. One way is to hover over the word Create in the side navigation, which will open a menu of all content types in alphabetical order. Find and select Link Collection from this menu. Another way is to select the Content button from the side navigation, then select the blue Add Content button, scroll down to the Micro Content section, and select Link Collection. Either way you do it, you'll be brought to the Create Link Collection page. Required fields are marked by a small red asterisk. All other fields are optional. For creating a link collection, you are required to enter a title and at least 2 links. Start by entering that required title. Try to be as clear and descriptive as possible to help differentiate this link collection from others and to identify how the links in the link collection are related. For this demonstration, I'm just going to type My Link Collection. By default, this title will be visible above the link collection when placed on a page. You may decide to hide the title by checking the Hide Title box. A description of your link collection is optional and, if included, will appear below the title and above the links in the link collection. Here, I'll type General Description of these links. Then it's time to start adding links to your link collection. You may paste a URL from an external website in the URL field, or if you're linking to another page on your website, otherwise known as an internal link, you can start entering the name of the page you wish to link to. As you begin typing, some options will start appearing in a drop-down menu. Find the page you want to link to and select it. Internal links will show up as nodes in the URL field, and the name of the page will automatically fill in the link text field. You can change this text if you wish by selecting the text in this field and entering new text. Each link can also have a description. This is a great place to summarize what the visitor will find through this link, or to describe the audience best suited for the information offered through the link. After completing the first link, select the button labeled Add Another Item. This will offer fields to enter the second link. As I mentioned before, a link collection must include at least 2 links. You'll notice the red asterisk appears here to denote that the second link is also required. Complete the second link by following the same steps as the first, by pasting a URL or the name of an internal page in the URL field, keeping, changing, or creating new text for the link text field, and, optionally, writing a description. You may continue adding links until your collection is complete or you've maxed out all 12 items. If there is more information elsewhere, either internally on your website or externally somewhere else, and it is related to the links in your visual link collection, you have the option to direct visitors there by entering fields in the More Link section. As with the other links, enter the URL or search for an internal page. And add the link text. Then you're ready to save your link collection. You have several Save As options, including Draft if the link collection is unfinished or needs to be reviewed, or Published if the link collection is complete and ready to place on a page. Let's select Published and then select Save. After you save your work, you will remain on the link collection creation page, but you'll notice it's now called Edit Link Collection, and there's a status message announcing that we've created our link collection. You can always find your link collection again by going to the Content Overview, entering the name of the link collection, or filtering by link collection content type, and then selecting Filter. Your link collection should appear in the results, and you can edit it by either selecting the name of the link collection or the Edit button in the Operations column in the far right side of the page in line with that link collection. If you need to edit the link collection itself, this is the place to do it. After you make any changes you want to make, be sure to select Save at the bottom. Any changes you make to the link collection here will apply wherever this link collection appears, so you only have to make the changes once for all instances of this piece of microcontent. As handy as link collections may be, there are certain instances where you probably should use a different piece of content or microcontent. For instance, use a visual link collection for a similar functionality with the added appeal of images. Use a promo for a single link with an image and a splashy presentation. Use an automatic list if you need a list of links or resources that updates automatically when you add new content. In general, please avoid using a link collection to create quick links or generic resources where the links do not have a shared purpose. As I hope you can see, link collections are a functional and user-friendly tool to group links to pages and information around a related topic. They have a handful of options available to meet a variety of needs and can be used across multiple basic and landing pages. You're invited to learn more about link collections and other types of microcontent in other video tutorials. Thanks for watching.